Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to send bulk emails to your subscribers or customers? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to send professional bulk emails using Mailchimp. Even if you are a beginner, let's get started. Mailchimp is an all-in-one email marketing platform that lets you design, schedule, and send emails to a large group of contacts. It's perfect for newsletters, promotions, or announcements, and it's free for up to 500 contacts. If you don't have a MailChimp account yet, go to mailchimp.com and click the Get Started or Sign Up button and follow the sign up process. Pick a plan, then enter your email, create a username and password, and confirm your account. Once you are in, you can upload a CSV file, copy paste from Excel or manually, add each contact, add, uh, add each contact, make sure your file has proper headers like email, first name, last name, etc. So go to audience tab, then click all contacts or add a new contacts. Then import contact like CSV file. Click import contact and upload a file and click continue. Then upload your CSV file. So that's it. Now let's create your bulk email. Go to campaign section from your dashboard. Then click create. Then choose email. Now choose template or plain text. For this tutorial, I will use the template. Click get started from here. Now choose one from here, like bold. Click apply. Name your campaign or template. Choose regular email and click save. Next. Next, design your email. Mailchimp has drag and drop templates, super easy to use. Add your logo, just click on it and update brand kit. Then upload your logo from your computer, then click done. That's it. Then add header, text, product images, click add, then upload image. Then buttons and social links from the left side bar. Click buttons, drag and drop here, then add button like that. Then add button link like email, enter your email, then message body, and that's it. Keep it clean and make your call to action clear. Tips to mention visually are invoice use short paragraphs, include only one CTA, add preview text and subject line at the top. Once your email is ready, click continue or click send test. Now enter your friend email, then click send test. That's it. Now click save and exit. Then choose the audience list you uploaded earlier. You can send to your entire list or specific segments if needed. Next, review everything: the subject line, sender name, audience, and email design. Mailchimp will also show you if anything missing. Once it's all good, click send or schedule it for later if you prefer. From the left sidebar, you can use automations like Shopify, WooCommerce. It is click on welcome series. Now automate your platform. From from Forms tab, you can create a pop-up form. Just click pop-up form, click create. You can select discount, free shipping, then click continue. Then you can select a template from here, that, and choose your name, audience, and email address, and follow the process. We go back to home. From after sending, you can view reports to track open rates, click-throughs, and unsubscribes under Analytics tab. Then click Reports. Here you can see your report like email report, SMS automation, landing page, etc. So that's it. That's how you send bulk emails with Mailchimp. Simple, powerful, and perfect for small businesses and creators. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. And hit the bell icon for more notifications.